Hi guys, in this video we're going to be covering the speed equation. We'll look at rearranging the equation, taking measurements, converting units, and finally a summary.
The speed equation is essentially the definition of speed, so let's go back to that. The speed is the rate of motion. It's how quickly something is moving. And another way of saying how quickly is something moving would be to say something like, oh, how much distance can it cover in a second? If it can cover more distance, if it can get further in a second, then it must be moving faster. And in general, we would say that if something moves a greater distance in a given time, for example a second, then it must be moving faster. We can say speed is equal to the distance covered by an object divided by the time taken for the object to cover that distance. Sometimes we represent each of these quantities with just a single letter, and the letters we use might be slightly surprising. For speed, we use a V, where the V here is being used to represent the word velocity rather than the word speed really. And this is equal to, of course, the displacement, which we represent by the letter x, divided by time, which is represented by the letter t. And these are important equations, so let's put a box around them. And let's quickly review the units that we're using here. Well, the distance will be measured in meters, the time will be measured in seconds, and the speed is measured in meters per second. Now, don't forget that the speed, unlike the velocity, is a scalar, so we don't worry about the direction of motion in this equation. Let's take a look at an example now. What is the speed of a ship that covers a distance of 20 kilometers in 45 minutes?
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE physics and combined science videos, just click on the SnapRevise smiley face. Join me today and let's make physics at GCSE a walk in the park.